What's up, risk managers? My name is Nasdaq Anonymous, and I'm addicted to the NQ. And boy, is she one hell of a drug. And welcome to today's NA meeting, where we will discuss the economic data for the week, the day's technical analysis, the trading opportunities we took on today's stream, and build a game plan for tomorrow's price action. And if you haven't done so already, you can show your support by subscribing to the channel. And with that said, let's jump into the charts now. This is tomorrow's data. Be mindful that all times are in Central Time. We have light news tomorrow. We have the Fed monetary policy coming out at 10 o'clock. We have some crude news coming out at 12, and we have some CFTC coming out at 2:30 Central. Be mindful that tomorrow is Big Money Friday. We usually get runaway markets on Friday. So now that we know what to expect, let's jump into the charts and create a game plan for tomorrow's price action. This is the block of price action that we traded on today's stream. And yesterday we had Nvidia earnings. And look what one company pushed price from this low, pushing it all the way back to all-time highs. One company did this, which is mind-blowing to even begin to think about. And last night's NA meeting, we talked about price possibly getting to this level, and I wanted to see how price would react. And boy, did it trade right through the zone. Traded right through the zone, consolidated, and as soon as the session started, the bulls were not playing. They were not going to miss this. This was FOMO. They tested the bottom of this range. The bears took it down. They came back up, tested it. The bears took it down again. Now here's the thing. This right here is a triple top. Now if you're a bear, we just had this massive move up. You see a triple top, you're shorting this. You're shorting this high. I shorted this high. I almost got caught on the wrong side of the market today, but then I thought about it. I saw that price was finding support right here, so I closed my short position and I went with the market trend. I bought. It was scary. It was scary buying anything up this high without a decent pullback, but the momentum was bullish. It got to the point to where I had to close my charts because I felt that I was going to keep going long, and eventually the market was going to rug pull and I was going to get caught. That did not happen. The market continued to push higher until the session ended. We did get what looks like profit taking at the end of the session, but here's what I'm looking for tomorrow. I want a pullback. Price is too high to buy, but it is too bullish to sell. I need a pullback. I want to see how price reacts once it gets into this area. I was actually looking for this 930, 940 entry earlier today, and as you see, we got it. I'm looking for the bulls to find support here, and if bulls find support here, this is where I'll feel comfortable buying for a retest of the high. The price action on the NQ has been absolutely crazy this week. You can see at this triple top, we got this move up higher because this is all those stops getting ran. All those stops getting ran from a triple top rejection. Now let's jump into a CL chart. Now this is a CL chart. And as we spoke about in last night's NA meeting, price got to this area and it quickly rejected, moving lower. The bulls finding support and pushing price higher. Now currently, CL is in an uptrend. What I'm looking for is price to find support somewhere in this area or push up higher to retest these highs. With all this inflation news going on and the conflict in the Middle East, right now, crude price has been erratic. It's been up, it's been down, and I'm interested to see where price goes to next. Because right now, crude is bullish, but the price action suggests that price is going to move lower. But remember, this is just a game plan. I want to see the price action in pre-market, and that will determine my bias going into tomorrow's stream, because we don't trade what we think, we trade what we see. Because the price action writes the story, the charts tells the story, and if you listen and trust in the setup, then you'll have a story. And here's my story. So this is how I'm ending today. I did purchase a 300K Apex account. That's actually my favorite account to trade in with Apex. I did have some losses. This was me trying to short the market. This was also me trying to short the market, trying to short this bullish momentum because price was quote unquote too high. So I figured if it was too high, then this would be a great area to short. I almost allowed my bias to take me out of the game today. But you always got to remember that the market is always right. It may be too high to buy, but that does not mean that price can't continue as it proved today. Price was unstoppable. All the bears that got caught at that triple top, all their stops got ran for that move higher. I do plan on taking a different approach with these accounts. I'm going to switch with micros and see the difference in performance, but that's all I have. If you're enjoying these breakdowns and want insight on trading the Nasdaq intraday, then subscribe to the channel and join our live stream where me and my trading partner provides intraday analysis in real time. Our current goal is building a community, and if you're tired of missing the best trades on the Nasdaq intraday, then join our live stream, join the Discord, join the risk managers in the chat, and we appreciate your support as we grow. As we wrap up, remember the risk manager's creed. Trading involves risk and demands careful analysis and capital preservation. And we can do that by practicing sound risk management. Every trade tells a story. Make sure you write that story in your trading journal because our psychology is all over these charts. And as always, my name is Nasdaq Anonymous, and I'm addicted to the NQ. Stay green out there. Peace.